Have you ever dreamt about donuts? Those sweet circular treats that make your mouth water? Well, believe it or not, dreaming about donuts can have a deeper meaning beyond just a late-night craving. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of donut dream interpretation. Common donut dream meanings. First, let's talk about some common meanings behind donut dreams. Donuts are often seen as a symbol of wholeness and completeness because of their round shape. So, if you dream about donuts, it could mean that you're searching for a sense of purpose or fulfillment in your life. Donuts can also represent rewards and indulgence. If you dream about enjoying a delicious donut, it might be your subconscious telling you that you deserve a treat or some self-care. On the other hand, if you feel guilty or ashamed about eating donuts in your dream, it could be a sign that you're overindulging in something in your waking life. The circular shape of donuts can also symbolize cycles and repetition. If you keep dreaming about donuts, it might mean you're feeling stuck in a certain situation or pattern. Types of donut dreams. Now let's explore some specific types of donut dreams and what they could mean. If you dream about eating donuts, it could represent feeling content and satisfied with your life. Or it could be a warning about overindulging. Dreaming about baking donuts could symbolize the potential for success and growth in your life. It might mean you're nurturing your goals and aspirations. If you dream of buying donuts, it could suggest that you're seeking a reward or craving some self-care and indulgence. Glazed donuts, with their extra sweetness, can indicate a desire for more excitement or pleasure in your life. On the other hand, if the donuts in your dream are stale or unappetizing, it could represent disappointment or unfulfilled expectations. Cultural and personal meanings. It's also important to consider the cultural significance and personal associations you have with donuts. In many cultures, donuts are seen as a comfort food and a symbol of celebration. Think about whether your donut dream is connected to any specific cultural events or traditions that are meaningful to you. Your personal experiences with donuts can also shape their appearance in your dreams. Do donuts bring up positive memories for you, or are they linked to any negative emotions or experiences? Your subconscious might be drawing on these associations to send you a message. Donut dream examples. To bring this all to life, let's look at a few examples of donut dreams and what they could mean. Let's say you dream about being in a busy donut shop, surrounded by all kinds of colorful and delicious-looking donuts. You feel excited and eager to try them all. This dream could symbolize abundance and joy in your life. It might be encouraging you to embrace and explore the positive opportunities in front of you. On the other hand, let's say you dream about biting into a donut, only to realize it's stale and tasteless. You feel disappointed and unsatisfied. This could suggest that something you were looking forward to in your waking life hasn't lived up to your expectations. It might be a sign to reassess your goals and find a more fulfilling path. So, the next time you wake up from a donut dream, don't just brush it off as a random craving. Take a moment to reflect on the details and emotions of your dream. Consider your current life circumstances and the personal associations you have with donuts. You might just discover a sweet message from your subconscious. Remember, dream interpretation is a highly personal experience. What a donut dream means for someone else might be different from what it means for you. Trust your intuition and pay attention to your feelings. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.